Hi everyone. Today my machine has a problem about stitch. I mean just stretch stitch, but I think the problem it should be the tension. So I adjust. Okay. First, you see this. I really try a lot of them. Try here too. And if you can see, when I just make a stretch stitch, it make the fabric like a I set on number 1, but it really like have a high tension, so it pull the fabric and it like a wrinkle, not straight and not smooth like this. So I try several times and try to reduce until 0. That is sure not possible. Yeah. And here, if you see clearly, I show you. Okay. So see. This one. On top thread I use the orange color, and the bobbin thread I use the green color. So what you can see is, if you can see closely, can you see the thread come out? So the bobbin thread is come out on top, so you can see the dot here, right? But for the predict if the thread on the bobbin thread come out on top, that means the top thread is pulling hard, so pull the bobbin thread out to the top. So the top thread should be like a high tension, so pull it hard, or the bobbin thread has a low tension. So here again, cannot possible to get the high tension on the top thread. Well, so I swap to the back stitch, and you can see, if you see the back stitch, you can see the orange color. So mean the top thread is go. Okay. So the top thread is go under too. Top thread is go under. The bottom thread is go upper. And also the problem is make the fabric is like pull too much until the fabric is cannot smooth at all. So be like wrinkle, ruffle. I didn't want to be ruffle, but it's ruffle anyway. Okay. The problem that I notice clearly is, this is a stretch stitch. This is a stretch stitch. But you see this? Do you think it's straight? It's not quite like. Okay, if you not see clearly, I compare with the old one, that the same sewing machine, but it's the old project that I use stretch stitch. Okay, so okay, here stretch stitch. Okay, it's normal. This is when the machine is going to have problem. Okay, so you can see it's not stretch anymore. Okay, this one is straight, right? So that's a problem. and I don't know what happened, what wrong with the machine, so I have to contact brother maybe tomorrow. See that? I bought the machine from overstock.com, and I add on the warranty for 2 years, about 2 years maintenance, like a 2-year warranty to fix the machine. So maybe I have to contact them. I don't know what to do, and you know, I try. You can see that how many times I try to adjust the tension. Not only one, for sure. I try to adjust since 1, 0 to 8. And the bobbin case, oh, I show you the bobbin case. The bobbin case is, I don't know, another video said that you can adjust the bobbin thread tension. But here, okay, let me put camera down so I can take this out. Okay. Okay. I already take the screw off, so I can just take it off. So, well, close first if you don't want any injury. And I take the this is a bobbin case. Okay. What I learned from another video, they said they have 2 screws. This one I don't know what is it, but they said that it's not concerned. So you have to adjust the tension bobbin in this one. But here they put the silicone, the green silicone on. So how can I adjust it? So like that. Don't know what to do. And okay, see, inside I clean up. What else? Okay. Okay. So nothing. Clear. Okay. So I don't know what happened to this machine. It just happened without I didn't do anything. It's just overnight and something wrong. Yes. Let me show you the embroidery that I embroidered. It should be the last project. This is the last project that I used the machine. It looked terrible. Okay. So you see, this is front part, and if you see clearly, you see, so you see it. It really look terrible, huh? And see on the back, terrible more. What I use here is cutaway stabilizer. This is wash away. And the next I use two layers. So the next one will be the lightweight cutaway, shear weight cutaway, and this one is washable, wash and gone. So it's 2 layers, and it's horrible. And you can see it look like a, yeah, I know it's some tension, but I don't know what is it. And this is the last project that is before. the parts. Still not good, but better, huh? Still work. That is, guys. Any suggestion? Add on more is I already cleaned the bobbin case. I already changed the needle. I already adjust the top tension and the bobbin tension, the bobbin case. Like I said, it put the clean silicone on. I already retread the bobbin thread. I don't know what else to do. So if anyone have any suggestion, please tell me in the comment below. Thank you guys for watching, and if anyone have the same problem, please comment and we share any information we share. Thank you. See you.